Hello, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you are good. If this is your first time in this channel, please hit the subscribe button, subscribe, and I will be so grateful for that. So in today's video, I want to walk you through on how I make this yummy, super delicious pizza. Yeah, this is actually beef pizza. If you want to know how I make this pizza, please stay tuned and let's dive into the video.
Takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing so long.
So in a bowl, pour in your flour. I will leave the list of the ingredients in the description box, okay? Now add in 2 teaspoons of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it very well. Then add 1.5 cup of water. Now go ahead and knead it with your hands. Keep kneading it until it is all incorporated together and doesn't stick on your fingers. At this point, I have to add the vegetable oil. You can as well add margarine, either of the two, okay? At this point, I have to transfer it to a workplace and knead it until the dough is smooth and elastic. As you can see, it's well smooth. Now I have to form the dough into a ball and place it back to the bowl that has been greased. At this time, I have to grease the bowl with vegetable oil. As you place it inside the bowl, turn it around so that it can be evenly coated with oil. Then cover it with a kitchen napkin and allow it to sit for 1 hour or until it is doubled in size. While the dough is resting, I will go ahead and marinate the beef. Now add in the ground ginger and garlic, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, seasoning, soya spice, salt to taste, and vegetable oil. Now mix it very well. Now I have to leave it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. I will be frying this beef off camera, okay? I have to go ahead to mix the sauce. Now add in the tomato paste in a bowl. Add ground ginger and garlic. Add in the black pepper, the Suya spice, the honey, and salt to taste. Mix it very well and set aside. Yeah, after 1 hour, I have to go ahead to check the dough. And this is what it looks like after 1 hour. It has doubled in size. Now, punch down the dough to remove the trapped air, then transfer it to workplace. You can divide the dough into your choice size depending how many you are making. For me, I'm making 3 sizes because of my family. Use the rolling pin to roll it to make it flat before putting it in the pan, okay? Drop the dough in the pan. Make sure you make it round. You do it by using your finger to press it to get to the edge of the pan. Now it's time to apply the sauce. Make sure it goes around the dough. Now apply the grated cheese, okay? Add in the onion, the beef, the green bell pepper, red bell pepper, then I will go ahead to brush the vegetable oil. Concentrate on the edges, okay? It will help to achieve that golden color. So I will go ahead and sprinkle some soya spice because I like the taste of it in my suya. It gives it that suya taste. Now put it in the oven for 5 minutes. Yeah, I brought it out after 5 minutes. I will go ahead to brush oil on the edges to maintain that golden color. Now apply more cheese. You know, some people like their peas to be little cheese, while some love to see that cheese is spilling all over the top of the pizza. Like my kids, they want to see that cheese all over the pizza, so I have to add more cheese, then add in tomato just for decoration. Put it back to the oven and allow it to bake for 10 minutes, and you have made delicious, yummy pizza. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, the pizza is ready. See this delicious, yummy pizza in Kamsi's space. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna enjoy this pizza. You know, pizza is well enjoyed when it's very hot. That is when I like enjoying my pizza, but it can as well allow it to get cold. Okay. Yeah, guys, hope you were able to get step by step on how to make this yummy, delicious pizza. Okay. Wow, if you have watched this moment, thank you so much. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do consider to subscribe and remember to leave the bell icon on so that you will be always, be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I need to get a comment in the comment section what you think about this pizza. Okay, thank you. God bless you. See you in my next video. Ciao ciao. Love you guys. Bye bye.